How to buy stocks on Etoro. Visit Etoro's website, or you can also use the mobile app and sign up on your account, log into your account. So once I've logged into your account, so here on the screen here you can search for stocks here. So if you want to buy stocks, you can simply search for any stocks that you are interested, or you can also alternatively use this discover option here and search for stock categories, trending options, and here. So you can just have browse around and see the options here. Or if you want, you can also search for any option here. So for example, let me choose a stock, for example, like Bitcoin. So I'm going to use Bitcoin. So once you have selected the stock, click on the stock to open its page. So when you open its page, okay, so you can now review like the metrics, charts, and the recent performance before you make any decisions on the stock. So you can do that. You have the option to do that. And once you're ready to trade, so what you're going to do is simply click on this trade option. So when you click on the trade option, you will get to the trade window where you will be able to enter the amount you want to invest, and also set any optional parameters such as the stop loss or the take profit levels, which is optional if you want to. So once you're ready, then all you have to do is click on the open trade to complete the purchase. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.